getting out of course completion certificate, still not able to get through this path, here is the belief, here is the myth that I would like to break today. Just completing the course, collecting the certificates, or adding one more course to your portfolio will not help you get you into the gate. Your confidence goes down, the motivation goes down, you start overwhelming with too many things, right? People fooled me, it's a scam. These kind of things that you start publishing outside. Why do most SAP beginners fail even after paying lakhs in training programs, like taking courses, right? Sometimes they buy courses of 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, or even 3 lakhs, right? They complete the course, they complete the certification, and even after completing the entire course, they sometimes struggle to get shortlisted. Even if they get shortlisted, they struggle to clear their interviews, right? So if just course completion is the path, then everybody who is taking the course would have been succeeded today, right? Then why there are thousands of people getting out of course completion certificates, still not able to get through this path? Here is the belief, here is the myth that I would like to break today. Just completing the course, collecting the certificates, or adding one more course to your portfolio will not help you to get you into the gate, right? See, so many beginners who start adding course after the course, certification of the certification, and expect to have offers flowing in, and finally, right, they get disappointed when things are not turning out, right? If that was the case, everyone would have been successful today, right? See what happens, this is what happens. You look at some like training videos, you look at some motivational videos, you join the course imagining that just by attending the course, just by taking the classes, you will succeed, you will be fully motivated in week 1, and the week 2, when the real course begins, real configuration begins, you start practicing it as a software, you start learning the chapters, and then week 3 you get overwhelmed by too many concepts, right? Too many words, too many jargons. By week 3, the confidence goes down, the motivation goes down, you start overwhelming with too many things that are piling up. You're not able to remember the old stuff what you learned while you are in the class. You feel like you understood everything, but while you come back and start practicing, you feel like you lost everything, you forgot everything. So this is a kind of thing that gets repeated week after week, week after week. By the time you complete that entire syllabus, you are completely lost, and you feel like the course is not good, SAP is not good, right? So I paid lakhs, but I lost money, I lost motivation, people are not giving directions, people are not giving the right path, right? People fooled me, it's a scam. These kind of things that you start publishing outside, right? But the reality is, when you are learning any course, you should learn it like business systems, not like your tool, right? The way how consultants think. So when you see a kind of sales order, you know VA01, you know it's a sales order. But for a consultant, it is a customer demand, right? It's a promise that you are making to the customer, right? You see delivery as VL01N, you enter the delivery document, you create a delivery document. But whereas for a consultant, it is a fulfillment. You are fulfilling the promise that you have made to the customer. When it comes to invoice, it is VF01 invoice document for you. But when it is when a consultant thinks, they thinks as a revenue, that is a document that generates revenue for the organization, for the company, right? So now there are so many other processes like rush orders, cash orders, right? So these documents people see as transactions, but these are the documents that brings speed for an organization. Contracts create stability, returns, complaints create trust. This is how the real business consultant understands the subject, by connecting to the real world business needs. Now, if you really have to start learning SAP in a right sense, you should learn by connecting to the real business needs, real business challenges. That's how you should start, right? Don't just start rattling down the screens, taking out the transaction codes, but understand why behind those activities that you're doing. Understand why behind each business process, each transaction that you're learning. So that is what helps you to build a solid understanding about the subject, and that is what helps you to have a conversation in the interview. So the interview becomes a conversation, not an interrogation, when you learn SAP in that way, right? If you are really struggling to find a way out, then I have created a clear roadmap on how do you build the right learning process from day one. See, the problem is not with you, the problem is with the traditional training system, right? See, we all agree that the traditional training system, right, the education system has not helped us to build employment, right? They gave you theories, right? They gave you certificates, but they didn't generate employment. The same traditional education system is followed by many of the training institutions who are just focusing on guiding you theory but not helping you how that theory is being applied at the job. So my way of guiding is not to guide you theory first and then teach you the business process. Teach you the business process first and then guide you how this subject connects to the business process, right? So learn in a right way. So you need a right direction, you need a right path, you need a right way of building the skills. That's what builds the right confidence and entry into this SAP ecosystem. So if you really want to learn how to build the skills in a right way with the right guidance, do click on the link in the bio. No, register for my webinar. I'm conducting webinar every week to help you people build your SAP SD career in a right way, right? So you don't delay. The more you delay, someone else taking the right step will move one step ahead of you. So take the right decision and get started. I'll see you inside my webinar where we both connect and build a career together. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more career guidance on SAP and how to grow in this SAP world, right? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. If you are interested, please join my webinar. I'll guide you with right steps of building your SAP career. Thank you so much.